When building a new house, a few things need to be a wow, and I'm talking about the kitchen and the bathroom. Today's vlog is about our new kitchen. Essential for the design and the position of the kitchen was that I must be able to stay in contact with friends and family in the living room and the dining area. It is also important for me that I can spoil you with great recipes, meaning recording must be possible from different corners. Obviously, it is nice to have a breakfast table connected to the kitchen and all equipment like oven, microwave, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and induction cooktop must be built in. With the above ingredients in mind, we have the perfect recipe for a wonderful new kitchen, with a large island included. After a serious search on the internet, we decided to visit Keukenwarenhuis, a very large kitchen shop located at Ter. These are all different types of materials that you can have for your kitchen, cabinets, for your countertops.
That's the one I showed you. This is not bad. Pudding.
Installation.
Yeah.
Look at the videos and enjoy what you can see in the showroom. Wouter loved the place because there was a great salesperson assisting us and even more, fantastic coffee and limited free of charge. We did not have to design the kitchen. As I mentioned earlier, our recipe was already created. Even so, it took a few hours before we had everything selected and agreed upon. At the end of this video, you will see what we have chosen and the actual 3D design of our new kitchen. Enjoy watching! Hmm?
No, this one has a bridge. This one. Oh, here, Mom. So, which step do you want? I know exactly what I like.
Which one? That one.
The setup with those.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making.